Today's unpredictable global economy requires cloud solutions to quickly respond to the changing needs of businesses in the most efficient and cost-effective way. The question is, what cloud application solution should companies deploy to be agile while remaining competitive in this changing world? Well, the answer is by deploying Oracle Guided Learning solution. Oracle Guided Learning is in-application guidance to accelerate your Oracle Cloud SaaS adoption. Oracle Guided Learning intuitively provides employees with step-by-step guide for their daily workflow while reducing the cost of training. And Oracle Guided Learning can be incorporated and scaled to keep employees informed of new policies or business processes timely and across your entire organization. So effectively, your company is able to deploy new applications faster, become competitive while increasing your return on investment. To learn more or request a demo, go to education.oracle.com.